Wadau unawakaribisha tena sana hapa ndani ya FM Show KA. Na kuna story fulani ambayo ilipata kugonga vyombo vya habari hapo jana baada ya mwanamke fulani aliyetambulikana kama Irene aliyekuwa akifanya kazi kule nchi za Uarabuni haswa kule Saudi Arabia. Ila baada ya yeye kutuma pesa zikapata kwenda kwa wrong number, mwanaume fulani aliyetambulikana kama William Otieno alikuwa akimtumia dadake. Akasema amepoteza takriban shilingi 1,300. Na alipoenda kwa maafisa wa DCI Kasarani, wakamuitisha pesa shilingi 20,000 kwa ajili ya kufuatilia zile pesa. Alafu wakamuitisha tena shilingi 3,000. Ila walipoenda na kumkamata jamaa ambaye alisemekana alikuwa ndiye ameiba zile hela, ambaye alikuwa ndiye katumiwa zile hela kimakosa, akakataa kurejesha, wakaagri na huyo mwanaume wapate kugawana zile pesa. Huyo mwanaume akapata kuwapa kitita cha 1,100. Ila kwa sasa maafisa wa DCI wameweza kufanya jitihada zao baada ya the accusations that were made against the DCI in Kasarani, na wameweza kuwakamata wale ndio wahusika wakuu katika kitendo hiki, ikiwa ni hatma na furaha kwa huyu mama ambaye pesa zake ambazo alikuwa amezifanyia kazi haswa zile nchi za Uarabuni, ambavyo mnajua kule maisha ni magumu sana. DCI wamesema update on social media allegations implicating 2 DCI officers at Kasarani. The attention of the director DCI was drawn to a viral video circulating on social media where a lady cried foul play by 2 Kasarani sub-county detectives who were handling a case. The director DCI instructed the DCI's Nairobi region coordinator to launch a thorough probe into the allegations with the view of taking appropriate measures to deliver justice. The position of the matter has been found to be as follows: that the complainant Irene Waithera Maina, while in Saudi Arabia, wanted to send some money to her sister back in Kenya, Laz went to the bank where she left a total of Kenya shillings 413 and her sister's details with the teller. She was instructed to wait for 3 days before the money would reflect in her sister's account, but on expiry of the period, her sister confirmed that she had not received the money. The complainant returned to the bank only for the bank to find that the amount was erroneously deposited to a different mobile subscriber registered in the name of William Otieno. Now, the bank tried to reverse the transaction but only managed to reverse 171,000, while the balance of 242 had been already withdrawn by the unintended recipient. The complainant decided to board a flight to Kenya to follow up on the matter and reported at Kasarani police station, where the case was referred to the DCI Kasarani for action. 2 detectives were assigned the case, where they launched investigation into intentionally withholding payment delivered erroneously, contrary to Section 35 of Computer Misuse and Cybercrime Act number 5 of 2018. Upon investigations, William Otieno was traced to Bande area at the Kenya-Tanzania border during the Christmas period before he relocated to Mombasa Likoni. On January 13, 2024, the suspect was nabbed and booked at Inuka police station in Likoni, in compliance with the 24-hour rule within which a suspect must be arraigned before a magistrate. The suspect was released on a 22,000 cash bail but thereafter switched off his phone. On February 20, 2024, the investigating officers got a tip the whereabouts of the suspect, where they proceeded to Mombasa and managed to arrest the suspect the following day. On February 22, the suspect was arraigned at Makandara Law Court, where he was charged and granted bail of 200,000 with a surety of 400,000. The case will be mentioned on June 18, 2024, with its hearing scheduled for October 24th, 2024, whereas the case is pending before the court. The alleged misconduct of investigating officers will be investigated and appropriate action will be taken. Now, they are telling us the action has been taken, but let me ask, I'm not following. I'm trying to they are covering for their colleagues, what I can say. Now the colleagues, the woman Irene Waithera Maina has not gotten her money back. What is DCI trying to tell us here? Yes, you have arrested the suspect, but is somebody who lost her money, somebody who lost her whole life because she went to Saudi Arabia to try and make hands meet, akatafuta hizo pesa, and then they were misappropriated by these DCI officers and the alleged culprit who is William Otieno. So what is DCI telling us here? Naona Wakenya wamekasirika. Wakenya wamekasirika. Kizungu mkuti, kizungu mingi ile Gachagua anawaambianga na mtu pay the main point. What nonsense is this now? Irene needs to get a justice. This is not what DCI should be doing because we are not being told whether the money has been refunded. For now, that's what's up. Make sure umesubscribe ndani ya FM Show. Tuungane katika video zetu zijazo.